the Slinky song from the commercial written in 1962 by Homer Fesperman and Charles Weagley. I play it capoed up here on the 2nd fret. I play it in the key of what I call C, which is actually a D because we're up 2 frets. Everything I say will be relative to the capo. It is a 1-4-5, so it's a C, it's an F, and it's a G. It starts off with this single note run, starting with G on the 6th string, 3rd fret. And it's G, A, B, C, G, A, B, C. And however fast you do that decides the timing of the song. So you can play it slow. The first chord is a C, and I use an alternating bass. You can either do the 5th string and the 4th string, or you can do the 5th string and the 6th string, but you have to move it down to a G. Or the melody can be played many ways on this first C. It can be and that's an E, 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 D, C. Sometimes I just skip the D and I go. And once again, you can play around with that wherever you think the melody is going. And then you go to this G, where the melody is on the D note on your 2nd string, which is the 3rd fret. However, this G is a G7th, where the melody goes. So it goes from this F to this open G, while you're alternating in the bass. And then it's everyone knows it's Slinky run. Back to a C. Or you can do so the first 2 chords, the C and the G, in a couple of different ways. You can just improvise on that as you feel. The next chord is an F. You play it like a D, except up here on the 5th fret. I usually just play the 1st and the 3rd string. You can play this 2nd string too. And then to this F, but I usually just play the 1st and 3rd string there. So it's just playing the 1st and 3rd strings. You can play a complete F chord if you like on the 2nd one and get the F bass. And then back to a C, holding your G as the melody, which is your 3rd fret on the 1st string. And that's the melody with that C. What I do with that is, and then I pick off and then go back to the C with the G up of the melody. So the F part is F, 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 C, F, G. And there your melody's on the second string, first fret, which is a C note. And then you hit an open E and repeat the G run. And it goes right back to the beginning. And so from the F part on, and then you can either repeat or finish.